Penny, it's a Tuesday morning. I'm at it again. Thought I would try each morning this week and see what happens. Just trying to knock down my schedule. It's about 6:30 in the morning again, and I'm heading out. Check out some dumpsters. It's a little wet this morning, so I'm not expecting to have a whole lot of luck, but I'm just gonna check it out. Trying to keep an eye on when the dumpsters are emptying and that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna head out and see if I can find anything at all, and then I'm gonna go to work. So you guys have an awesome day. Just got back from that Dollar General where I found those bags, and these are the 3 bags that I got. One of them, that one, ripped open while I was pulling it out with the hook because I didn't grab it in the right spot. And a few boxes fell out, but I think they were popcorn or something. I've got so much popcorn in my cabinet right now, so I didn't really need them. So I just opened these bags. I haven't looked inside, and I thought I'd just go through it and see what we got. Okay. We got golden round grams. Let's see, at the end of February, so those aren't bad. I mean, crackers are, they're completely sealed in their package, so I don't think those are going to be an issue. That's empty. Ooh, peanuts. Dry roasted Planters peanuts. Awesome. Completely sealed. And I don't even see an expiration date on those, so, but, dry roasted peanuts, vacuum sealed, not a whole lot can go wrong with those. Cheez-Its, white cheddar Cheez-Its. Oh, some Hidden Valley Ranch dressing. I don't think I'll be keeping that. That expired at the end of January, so that's not a big deal. Some more of those golden round crackers. And it was raining, so the outside of the bags are a little damp. I mean, they're not completely wet, as you can see, but they were a little damp. Another one of those round crackers. There's some Cheez-Its Grooves. Zesty Cheddar Ranch. Nice. Another cheddar ranch. Another cheddar ranch. Well, these could have been donated for sure. Most of these probably will get donated to people who need them. I might keep a couple of boxes, but most of it's going to be donated. So we got some Rich and Crisp crackers. Oh, we got some more Rich and Crisp crackers. Some more peanuts. Yum. Those are open. Those came out of that one box. Cheddar, white cheddar. Again. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, Ritz Bits cheese. Yum. Is that cheddar bacon? Let's see what else. Cheddar bacon. Cheddar ranch, excuse me. More Planters peanuts, which is awesome. And that'll do it for that bag. I mean, there's some crackers in there that came out of that box, but I'm not going to worry about that. So put that back in there. Alright, bag number 2. Let's see here. We got some more of these Rich Crisps. I'll just set those over there. More Rich Crisps. More white cheddar. There's some more of that popcorn movie theater butter. Oh yeah, the best kind ever. Let's see here. Ritz Bits cheese. Some more Ritz Bits cheese. White cheddar. Some more white cheddar. Let's see, white cheddar. White cheddar. A lot of white cheddar Cheez-Its today. A lot of people that could be using those. Oh, white cheddar. Some more white cheddar. And more white cheddar. White cheddar. People don't like white cheddar, apparently. I like them okay. And that one's a little wet at the bottom of the bag, so I'm not going to get that one. Alright, what's this one over here? And that one's wet too. Those are obviously down in the corner where there was water in the dumpster. Because it rained. It rained last night, so. Ooh, cheese nips. The real ones. Awesome. Let's see what we got here. This is, it's open, it's damaged, so not keeping that. I don't drink coffee anyway, but somebody could have used that if it wasn't damaged. Okay, let's see. Got some more of those Rich Crisp. Some more cheddar ranch Cheez-Its. Cheddar cheese nips. And those are actually just barely expired. March 2018. Oh. Barbecue potato chips. More barbecue potato chips. Some more chips. And some more barbecue chips. More Planters peanuts. Yay! More barbecue chips. Barbecue chips. And let's see here. Rich Crisps. Some more barbecue chips. Barbecue chips. And more barbecue chips. Woo! It's a barbecue chip bonanza. Barbecue chips. Oh, let's see. We got Zesty Ranch again. Okay, barbecue chips. And more barbecue chips. And more barbecue chips. Oh, look! It's more barbecue chips. Oh, and another barbecue chip. Let's see, there's something else in here. What do you want to guess? What is it? What's it gonna be? Barbecue chips. Alright, and that's it for that bag, guys. Okay, so we got this huge stack of barbecue chips. That's enough for a good long while. Okay, we got these ranch and crisp crackers. A couple of things of ranch, but I don't know. I don't think that those expired in January, so I'm not sure. I think I'm probably just gonna get rid of those. They're probably okay, but you know, I don't really eat ranch dressing anyway, so it's not a big deal for me. Okay, then we got the round crackers. We got a box of the Orville Redenbacher movie theater popcorn. We got 4 cans of Planters dry roasted peanuts. Nom. We got a ton of Cheez-It white cheddar. We got a bunch of the Cheez-It Grooves cheddar ranch. We got 3 boxes of the Ritz Bits cheese and 2 boxes of the Cheese Nips cheddar. So yeah, that's a lot of food that could have been donated to help people, and I will be donating most of this. I think I'll probably keep 1 can of peanuts and maybe the popcorn, maybe a couple boxes of crackers, but that's it. I mean, you know, that's a lot of food that could have helped people, and they would have taken that easy, no problem, you know. So that's good food. That's unfortunate that Dollar General would just throw those out instead of donating them, but you know, I guess they have their rules and to keep them safe, and you know, it's all good. So I will be donating most of the stuff. So all right, that was a good score today. This is Tuesday, and I'll add this to the weekly score at the end of the week. I'm trying to do a week of dumpster diving. I'm going every morning before work, so we'll see what happens. This is a good score today, so hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share. I'm giving away stuff on my Instagram at Dig for Pennies. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.